So you trust him and you trust his plans for you, right? Then I would share this with you as to what happened in my past that made my trust in God so unshakable. When I started preparing for competitive exam back in class 11th, I was a person completely incapable of sitting and putting her focus onto one thing because I was distracted by so many things. I mean, external distractions are one factor, but whenever I sat to work, more than external, it was internal distractions, the internal noise that did not let me focus on what I'm studying. So, this journey of becoming someone who had no idea what discipline is to now who very well knows the value of her time. Many small incidents happened that made me believe that there exists some power that is guiding me, that is helping me, that is taking care of me. Initially, I wasn't serious about my preparation, but gradually I started getting inclined towards a good lifestyle. You know, the kind of aesthetic lifestyle we see on social media? Then this money mindset became the new big thing in my life. So as I was becoming more and more serious, I started fearing more and more about the results. I could not trust myself enough that I will be among the top 1% students who clear this exam. It's an exam called JEE Advanced. To be very specific, I remember I saw a video on YouTube, a video by CA Neha Datta. That was an initial shift in my journey.
और जब से रियलाइज करना शुरू करा कि देर इज सम गॉड, कोई तो है, मतलब मैं तो भगवान की बच्ची हूँ, कोई तो है मेरा ध्यान रख रहा है, जब इस तरह की बातें मैंने करनी शुरू करी, खुद से रियलाइज करी, और अभी मैं जिस तरह की चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करती हूँ, मैं भोपाल में गई थी तो वो एयरपोर्ट पर बच्चे मेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे थे, वो और मेरा बैग उठा लें क्या मैम, मैंने कहा प्लीज़ डोंट, बट दे इंसिस्टेड। कैब में बैठ रहे हो तो वो आपका दरवाज़ा बंद कर रहा है, और आप घर से कहीं पर भी जा रहे हो, सो यू आर गेटिंग ऑल द फैसिलिटी। मैं ये देख रही थी कि मतलब वॉट इट वॉज लिटरली मेकिंग मी फील क्राई आउट ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड कि यार अगर आप थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखो ना लाइफ में, कि हो रहा है जो भी हो रहा है, इस आई विल गेट ओवर दिस फेज। तो जब आप पेशेंस रखते हो ना, उसके बाद आपको पता नहीं, एक पेशेंस और दूसरा विश्वास चीज़ों में कि मुझे पता है कुछ तो अच्छा हो जाएगा।
There is this beautiful line I heard somewhere: fearing is like thinking God will make a mistake. I feared, what if I could not clear the exam? I'm saying it very simply today, but it was a huge mental pain back then. The fear of not getting selected in a good college was a terrifying thought. The only way I calmed myself down was by telling myself again and again that results are not in my hands. My dedication towards my work is my part. So do your part to the best of your ability and leave the rest in his hands. Hearing this line from Lord Shri Krishna brought me immense peace, shifting my perspective on future.